Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on push notifications on the DHgate app on your phone. So once you're on the DHgate app, simply click the account on the lower right hand side here and click on settings. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on notifications. Then here you'll have the push notifications. You can easily enable that. So if you tap on that, you'll get a pop-up. Go ahead and click on okay, then you will get an option there to allow. So tap on allow, and here you'll see immediately that those push notifications are now turned on. So you'll get promotion updates, you'll get order updates, and even instant messages from your sellers as well. So that's pretty much it. I think that one of the ones that you don't really need to have on your phone consistently, in my opinion, is the promotion. So if you don't want that directly, you can just toggle that one off, and you'll be able to turn off the promotion on your phone. But if you want some order updates, that's also something useful. Instant messages from sellers, possibly that could be useful as well. But that's it, guys.